Hey guys, just a quick update for Unity World, actually World Unity. This platform we've been in now for 6 weeks. When we got in, the platform was out for about a month or so, give or take. Really big in the Latin American market. As a matter of fact, later on this month, they're doing their first summit in Colombia. We were supposed to go to that, but certain things came up and we weren't able to go. But we'll keep you in the loop with what they are going to announce. They're supposed to have a sports trading. So also supposed to be announcing a couple of different apps that they've been developing. So far, so good. The platform's been doing really well. Just did another withdrawal, hit my wallet pretty quick. So let's go ahead and give you this 6 week update for this platform. Of course, I want to start off by saying that I am not a financial advisor. Never take anything I say as financial advice. You are going to get into this platform. Please do your own research and due diligence and only put in what you can afford to lose, guys. Risk and capital only. Also, follow me on Telegram. I'll leave a link for that down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So from a passive perspective, guys, 3 different licenses, packages you can choose from. This one here is the start. 20 USDT to 299. You'll be able to earn up to 10% per month. This one here is the premium to 999, 300 to 999 USDT to 15% a month. And then 1,000 USDT and up, you'll be able to earn up to 20% per month. So very sustainable numbers. Cool thing about this is you can pull majority of your capital out anytime you want. 30 days after you make a deposit, you'll be able to pull all of it out. If you want to pull it out before your 30 days is up, you just have to incur a 15% penalty. But again, the bulk of what you put in, you can pull out at any time. So that gives you a lot of flexibility, more than a lot of other things that we're in. So that gives you a little bit of leeway there. So again, very sustainable numbers. The compensation plan, if you want to share this with other people and build out the network, very sustainable as well. It's nothing crazy. They have a matching bonus up to 5 levels. You can earn matching bonuses on your team. So again, as you earn passive payouts from your license, as your team earns from their licenses, you're going to earn a matching bonus. So your daily payout can grow perpetually over time if you're building a team. Now, again, totally optional. You don't have to do that. But again, this one here, it's been working great. Draws have been very, very smooth. Of course, there's other ways you can earn from the comp plan, but I'm not going to really go into that right now. Just giving you, an update since we've been in for about 6 weeks now. It's been very, very smooth. And yeah, like I said, we're not heading out to the summit, but we'll give you all the updates as we get it from our upline. We were supposed to head out, but things come up and we weren't able to make it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you a quick little update, let you know how things are progressing so far with our journey. This thing is growing, pretty big in the Latin American market. But if you would like to jump into things, again, this one here can be quite sustainable for a long period of time. It's paying out up to 20% per month, and the comp plan isn't, it's not paying out, crazy numbers as well. So all in all, looks like it can be around for quite a bit. Of course, just because paying out up to 20% a month and it's not going crazy with the comp plan doesn't mean it's risk free. There's always going to be some form of risk, right? That's why you only put in risk capital. But overall, it looks like it can be one of these platforms that's just in our docket and can be in our docket for quite a bit. So we'll see. We'll see how it turns out. So far, the last 6 weeks have been, super pleasant. Draws hit on time. Everything has been working very, very smooth. So want to check this out? I will leave a link down below. Yeah, if you have any questions, hit me up over on Telegram. Okay. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Just a quick one to start off the week. I will catch you on the next update video. Peace.